Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. In today's video, yes, I have a battery case for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a ZeroLemon battery case for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. I need to give a shout out to ZeroLemon for actually sending this to me for a review. I'm very excited to have this case on here. Now, is this a case you use every day? It could be, but for me, it would be like if you're going out, maybe on a trip, maybe somewhere hiking, and you want that extra juice on your phone. This is a great way of getting that extra juice for you with this battery case. I've used ZeroLemon before on other devices, so I'm always glad to work with them and try out this case. But if you want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so and read all these great things. It tells you to charge the battery at least once a month, keep the battery in a well-ventilated area, don't keep it too hot or cold. But nice packaging from them too. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. I mean, look, it's a box within a box. Let's see how I get this bad boy open. Now, will this add bulk to your phone? Yes, it will add bulk to your phone. I mean, that's part of the battery case. But you get all these instructions here. Look at the case itself. It says open here. So this is definitely a big case, man. This is definitely a big case. But let's try it. I put that on the side. It has instruction manual, so you can tell there it's like a two-piece case. We'll definitely try to open that up. With the ZeroLemon equals zero defect, 100% guaranteed. And then it says a thank you. But here's the case. So it says open here. Let's see how you open it. Alright, when it says open here, it's basically you want to pull away from here. And you just work around and pull off that second top piece without breaking it. Alright, so what it says is open here. What you want to do is remove the rubber piece to get to the main case. And you can actually kind of pull it apart carefully. You don't want to break it. And it should come out pretty good. So you want to get this part off. And you can just remove it. Don't break it though. It's in there good too. So if you need, it's hard to do it on camera, but what you do is take that off. So you have that piece here. Then you take your phone, you insert it here, and then it says to push this back in there, which is something I'm gonna try to do. Now, I think I have an easier way of doing it, but we're gonna follow the instructions. So you just wanna work it around. Make sure you get it snapped in there. Like that. Now, again, will this add bulk to your phone? Yes. But look at that case. I like how, look at the power button. You get camera protection. You don't have to worry about your camera protection. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So the power button is easy to press. The volume rockers work good too. I was shocked there though. There, look, you even have access to the pen. You have a little speaker cut out there, microphone. That all looks good. How hard is it to get the pen out? You definitely need some fingernails, but I got the pen out too. You have your charging port there. This is a little branding here. It says, oh, ZeroLemon there, ZeroShock. I said ZeroLemon. What y'all think about this case? It definitely adds bulk to your phone. But look, you have some branding there too. That's the power button for the case. Look at that. It says press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. So now I'm turning it off. But this is actually a good case. I could use this, especially if you're camping or something. You can use this out there. I wouldn't even worry about dropping the phone with this case on there at all. I like this case. Look, it protects it too. You have that lip protection all around it. Like I said, the camera, you're not cracking it. What y'all think about this case? Y'all let me know in the comments. Again, if you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. That way you can definitely pick it up from Amazon. But let's check out that power button again. So it's going to tell me it's charging the phone, which is pretty cool. As you can tell up there, if my camera will focus. So it's charging the phone, but I can charge the case too if I needed to and get more juice out of it. But let's turn that back off. But like I said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.